Now this is always a popular body style here at Unique, especially in classics. Good looking car, 1964 Chevrolet Nova SS 2-door hardtop Restomod. I'm going to try to hit on many of the highlights on this car. It's a long list, so I may miss something here or there. Don't be afraid to call in and consult with a sales associate, and I'll tell you how to do that in just a bit. First of all, underneath the hood, 385 cubic inches, small block Chevy power. That's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive, 700 R4 to be exact. Does have a G-Force Nova cross member. Power steering, AC, EFI, FiTech fuel injection system. Up front, TCI Nova independent front suspension with single adjustable coilovers. GM calipers, drilled rotors. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on this. A little bit of a chin spoiler down there. Carbon fiber hood. Color on this car, it is an Acura paint color. Steel blue, paint code I believe was 9J3. There is a whole kind of folder, manila envelope of receipts on this car that will go along with it. It's riding on US Mags wheels. Radial tires, and there's those drilled rotors, as you can see behind the wheel. Disc brakes, all four corners. All right, check out the still pictures. You can be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Previous owner does kind of have a list of highlights on this car. So like I said, if I missed something or you got some questions on any of it, go ahead and call on in and consult with a sales associate. Interior, it's what they call distressed gray. TMI bucket seats up front. Center console, look at those cup holders, nice setup. B&M drag style shifter. Does have a rear backup camera on that flat screen, as you can see. I'll get into the details of the interior a little bit more. A couple other things I want to show you when we start it up. Let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive. If you take a look at this tail light, you're going to see LED lighting, and that is throughout the car, exterior and interior. Chrome the rear bumper, also looking good. Rear suspension is a Church Boys Racing triangulated 4-link with double adjustable Viking coilovers. Reinforced rear frame rails, Ford 8.8-inch rear end, Aeromotive stealth fuel tank and stealth fuel pump, exhaust on it, 2.5-inch dual exhaust, X-pipe, TCI headers, 1 3/4-inch primaries. When we get underneath the hood, you're going to notice Champion radiator, serpentine belt system. All weather stripping is new. Speedo could use recalibrations, and the brakes are like new. As a couple notes from the technician on this one. Now, if you like these Nova SSs, and this is a true Nova SS, which you can tell by the VIN number. If you want to do any decoding, we'll have a picture of that VIN number. And I believe the data plate and everything right on our website. Anyway, if you like these Nova SSs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Maybe like Restomods. Definitely subscribe. Take a look through the inventory. A lot of cool cars. And when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Pretty cool. There's that distressed gray interior I mentioned before. Black carpeting, and these TMI bucket seats, very comfortable, great look to them. As you can see, seat belts intact. As you'd imagine, this one's got a little bit of a rumble. Aftermarket gauge cluster. Headliner custom to match the interior. Some more of that LED lighting, as you can see. Tilt column, I did it. Billet Specialties steering wheel. All right, now this on and off button right here that you see, that is basically for disengaging the battery. So that's like your battery shut off, the on and the off right there. So it's on right now, obviously. We're going to go ahead and fire this up. Turn that key. Oh, it is an EFI system. Let's sit a second and all right, now I mentioned speedo could be calibrated. TAC is working. Custom dash. AC controls. Stereo system is running that flat screen, and again, there's a backup camera on that also. Here's your FiTech control. It has some throttle response. Nothing crazy over the top on exhaust, but nice rumble to it. All right, let me slip up to the front. I want to show you this engine bay. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take this for a drive. See if he gets after it a little bit. All right, underside of the hood, and that is a very lightweight hood. And look at this. So again, power steering, AC, that Champion aluminum radiator. This was done nicely, folks. Got to be a blast to drive. And like I said, there's a whole list from the previous owner. I may have missed a thing here or there. Don't be afraid to call in. Consult with a sales associate if you have some questions. It'll be a fun car. 1964 Chevrolet Nova SS. True SS, real deal. Two-door hardtop Restomod. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1964 Chevrolet Nova. A very attractive interior on this car. Great texture and color and style. I do not see the turn signal indicators working, but they may be. There's a little bit of noise. It sounds like a tire rub in the back when you hit a bump on a corner sometimes. I took it a little easy there. This car has plenty of power, and the torque converter is in the right spot. You feel that power kicking right in. We have a touchscreen radio down here that does work. Now the speedometer's not moving. The tachometer works. Probably doing about 50, and we're at about 2,000 RPM. Oil pressure is almost 60 psi. The temperature 170 and rising. Still warming up. Fuel gauge, a half of a tank. The volts are charging at almost 14 volts. The steering wheel is canted slightly to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Very nice steering wheel as well. We've got finger grooves in the back. A lovely headliner. It matches the same textures and colors elsewhere in this car. And paired with the black and chrome, it just looks good. Brakes nice and smooth. This car rides flat. It's ready to perform. Built for cornering and speed, in my opinion. Yeah, I'm not getting any leaning out of this car in the corners. Not enough to notice at least. And there's the power. That's why I took it a little easy. The roads are not dry today. Such a fun car. Easy to drive. This is an automatic. We have a ratcheting style B&M shifter right down here. You can just put it in drive and go if you feel like it, or you can slam through those gears on a track. Beautiful bucket seats. I do have the lights, the parking lights on, and that lights up blue, also looking good. Take a look at all the pictures of this 64 Chevy Nova at uniqueclassiccars.com.